The PNVF president, Mr. Tat Suzara, just announced that they have a 7-year plan para sa men's volleyball dito sa Pilipinas. You know what time it is? Hands in. As they should! This is nice that they actually announced this kahit na yung mga specifics ay hindi pa nila nababanggit. Recently concluded yung ating FIVB World Championship hopes, but that goes to show you na pag merong magandang sistema may pupuntahan ng volleyball dito sa Pilipinas, lalo na pag sa men's volleyball. Number 1 is yung system. Putting on Coach Angiolino Fregoni made our players learn so much about volleyball. I think he's one of the major reasons kung bakit sila Baguna, sila Espejo, some of our best talents in the country didn't even hesitate. Hindi sila nagdalawang isip para i-represent yung Pilipinas. Kasi diba yung iba parang isi-skip pa. Pero sa men's volleyball, hindi sila nagdalawang isip to join and actually form a team that will be strong enough to compete against the world. Pangalawa ay para sa audience. Nakapuno ang men's volleyball ng isang arena. I remember watching Spikers Turf before. Laban pa yun ng Criss Cross tsaka Signal. Sure, maraming tao pero hindi puno. Kaya nung nandun ako sa Mall of Asia Arena, tas kita ko mula ibaba hanggang taas, sobrang daming tao nag-cheer. The Alas players would have felt something completely different from there. Kumbaga kung mainstream na sila dati, mas mainstream pa sila ngayon. At yung pangatlo is that there's gonna be a lot of tournaments para sa men's volleyball. Siyempre nandyan na ang UAAP, may avenue na para sa mga high school students to actually compete. Players like sila Bagunas and Espejo are also getting offers overseas. So hindi lang limitado dito ang kanilang pwedeng malaro. Pero kung sakaling nandito sila, they can obviously try out for the Spikers Turf that have players for as young as like what, 16, 17 years old? And they're competing against grown men, so that could even fasten their evolution. Aantabayanan ko tong 7-year plan na to. I really hope it goes very well kasi so many things can happen in Philippine volleyball.